Okay.
Hello and welcome to our new house. Follow me inside. Hi guys. So this is what typically happens when I get home. I get bombarded by dogs. Come here. Say welcome. And this is the entryway. Hi buddy. It's like pick me up too. The dining area. Oh, yes, our entry stand. Hi guys, I know. Very exciting. Our dining area. And then you can see into the living room and the master in the back. And then when you turn the corner, you can see the kitchen to your right. The dogs are very excited about what's going on. It's still a work in progress, obviously. Yeah, our little dog food station. Yeah. I don't know what to say. So this is the living room, obviously. So far my favorite spot is the mantle. And then we've included the dog's furniture in our living room arrangement as well. And this is Max's favorite spot, is the back door, because he likes to watch for frogs and bunny rabbits. So that's where he spends most of his time. And then if we go back this way, this is the master bedroom, which is also definitely still a work in progress. But we have the king size bed and Dan's dresser and my giant dresser. This huge window, an awesome walk-in closet that is full of stuff right now. And then the master bath. This is the dogs have been playing and running and hiding under the bed. You following us around, buddy? Oh goodness. Oh goodness. It looks so much better than when we first did a walkthrough. And then the second and third bedrooms are through here. And this is our laundry closet. And then to the right is the guest bedroom. That's our secretary desk, and then the guest bed. And those are the quilts were done by my great grandmother. Max. There's also a walk-in closet in here, which is really nice. The guest room will be getting its first guest on Friday. My friend Nicole is coming to visit, so she'll get to stay in here. And then the guest bathroom, which I think is going to be nautical themed. Lots of blues and creams and taupes. The dogs are watching you, trying to figure out what you're doing. And then the office, which for anybody who saw the pics of it beforehand, it was the two-tone blue room. So it's come a long way since then. All of Dan's uniforms are hanging in the closet. Eventually this will have all of our books on it. And then we'll get a new mattress for the futon. And then we'll pretty much be set after we hang stuff on the walls. Hi. This is where they like hanging out. You gonna bark at her? They like to hang out in the office when Dan's doing work. They like to watch him. Hey, buddies. See what's going on. So it's come a long way since we first saw it in May. or I guess April. It would have been April when we first took a tour of the house, and it had really smelly carpet and a really terrible paint job. So it's come a long way since then, and we still have a little bit left to do, but I think it's looking really good, and we're going to enjoy living here.